Welcome to the Pronouns Quiz. Is a boy. He is a boy. Is a girl. She is a girl. Is my friend. He is my friend. Is my sister. She is my sister. Is a cat. It is a cat. Is a dog. It is a dog. I'm happy. I am happy. Are my best friend. You are my best friend. Are playing football. We are playing football. Are students. They are students. Is my father. He is my father. Is my mother. She is my mother. Is a beautiful flower. It is a beautiful flower. Have a red bag. I have a red bag. Are my classmates. They are my classmates. Are very kind. You are very kind. Is reading a book. She is reading a book.